Health Headlines is Wish TV medical reporter Dr. Mary Gillis.
Hey. Hi, you guys. Great to see you.
What's going on this week?
Okay, so we got some good stuff. All right, so the Food and Drug Administration wants to make drinks more safe for children. Always a good thing. Officials are calling for lead levels to be reduced in apple juice and other juice blends. Lead is a naturally occurring element, which means it can't be completely removed from the food supply. But the FDA says if the action levels they recommend are taken, consumer exposure would be limited. They say establishing a 10 parts per billion level could result in close to a 50% reduction in lead exposure. This is part of the agency's Closer to Zero action plan, which debuted in April of 2021. It's incredible there that
a lot of parents out there are hoping that things, can become more and more healthy for their kids.
Yeah,
especially.
yeah. So this is good stuff for juice. All right, so guys, next one. All right, the coronavirus pandemic may have affected workplace creativity. That's according to research released Wednesday in the scientific journal Nature. The study's author says employees on virtual meeting programs like Zoom have a little more difficulty coming up with innovative ideas than those who talk in person. The findings were based on 602 people who were divided into pairs. Some worked face-to-face while others did so virtually. However, researchers did admit there are a few caveats to the study. They say the process of coming up with ideas appeared to happen easier in person, but the difference in making critical decisions on those ideas was minimal.
Some people just need to be in the room.
Mm-hmm. I get you.
I'm one of those.
Are you really?
It.
I'm one of those.
Yeah, you need to feel the energy. You need to have the creative juices flowing, and there's just a barrier with that Zoom. I mean, it's been incredible this past 2 years, but man, something about being face to face and with everyone in that sort of environment.
I was one of the few that never left the building, and I was pretty happy about it. I'm like, I'll wear a mask when everything was going crazy. I just rather just be around people.
Yeah. I like to be at my house.
I know.
Yes, I like to be at
thank
my
you so
house.
much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Mary.
Thank you, Mary. All right, guys.
Health Spotlight, presented by Community Health Network.